Here is Monterey pine, Pinus radiata, and you can use for this recipe any pine, whichever you've got locally near to you. And what we're looking at here are the young male cones. The female cones are the ones that are the really big ones that everyone seems to know what pine cones are, but these are the really dinky ones. These are the ones that produce pollen a bit later on. But what we're going to do is we're going to gather some of these, and I'm going to take them back and I'm going to show you how to make a delicious pine oil. Okay, what we have here are the male pine cones that I picked earlier, and all you need to do is pop them into a bottle like this and just use some really light olive oil. You don't have to do anything, literally just drop them in, fill up your bottle with olive oil. How many do you use is the question that I often get asked. Well, if we go back to the very old cookbooks of old, pre-19th century, when haute cuisine came in, the word chef didn't exist. We were just cooks. And a lot of the recipe books would just list ingredients. They wouldn't list quantities. Now, obviously that can be frustrating for you if you're used to paint by numbers cooking. But I really do urge you with this one just to play, okay? Cooking for me is about playing. For regular Joes and Joannas like you and me, let's just get playfulness in the kitchen back. So basically pop in as many as you feel that you need, fill it up with olive oil, stick it on a windowsill for 2 weeks, and then you taste this oil. It's absolutely gorgeous. You can pour it over fish, and you can use it drizzled over your salads. And as we're coming to spring, now's the perfect time. While I was out gathering the young male pine cones, what I did was I basically gathered some of the needles. Again, you can use any pine for this. And I blitz them up in my smoothie maker, so I use a Nutri Ninja. Some people have a Nutri Bullet. You can do it in a blender. And again, I let them sit for 2 weeks, and then I strain them out through a jelly bag or strain it through muslin. Anything that's fine, that's going to get rid of the kind of detritus. And again, we have a delicious and lovely green coloured pine oil, something that you will be using regularly in your kitchens. Time to get off the camera. Time for you folks to get out there, find a pine tree and start playing.